So you're looking to get an R&D tax credit. First, I think that's a great idea. If they're available, take advantage of them. Second, you will want to check with your tax accountant or tax advisor just to make sure everything is current according to what we understand and what we're going to show you here. The information we share with you may need to change based on what your tax advisor tells you. And every political cycle, tax laws change, and so we're not here to keep up with the tax laws, but we're here to give you the basics. All right, with that said, let's take a peek at what you need to do. One of the first things that you're going to want to do is cruise over here to our website and go under the R&D tax credit. So this isn't in the app, it's not in the help docs, but it is out here on our marketing website. And go under R&D tax credit, that's this article. It has a lot of really good information. It actually has 6 other articles. There's this one and these 5 that you may want to read through. And then it gets into talking about what information you want to gather. And it's our understanding that you really want to gather these pieces of information. You're going to export time to calculate labor, and you need your staff, date, project, phase, activity, hours, direct labor, and what we believe is most important is comments. Because in the comments field, you need to describe the work that was actually performed to determine if it qualifies for the R&D tax credit. There was a 2024 court case involving A&E firms, and they were denied the credits due to vague time records. So you want to be careful about that. I don't know all the results of that. I know they were denied. I think they had to pay back the taxes, and there may have been penalties that went along with that. I'm not sure. You can go do your own research and look that information up. So back to our app. Let me show you what you can do. First, you're going to create a column set, and I have one that I saved here called R&D Tax Credit, and it basically has 7 of those 8 fields that we listed in that article. We've got our project and our phase and our activity. We have who did the work, the date, the hours worked, the direct labor. What you can't put into a column set are the comments, but I'm going to show you where you can get those. Now, to run the report, you're going to provide this information to your accountant. What you need is a time frame. So we're going to do a query here. And I'm going to select last year, but whatever time period your accountant is asking for, set your date range up here, and then make sure and select project, because proposal, admin overhead, and benefits time does not qualify towards the tax credit. And then scroll down and choose apply. Now that I have last year's time slips and I have the correct column set, I'm going to come up here and do an export. I'm going to do an Excel spreadsheet. I really don't care about showing when I exported it or my name, but we're going to put include comments, and we're going to choose export to Excel. The beauty of this is that your accountant can now review the information and do their own summaries of the hours and the labor costs to determine how many dollars go towards your R&D tax credits. Okay, so now we're letting them do their own math, not you doing it for them. If you run a report, and you could do the same report and summarize it maybe by project or staff or however you wanted to summarize it, that would be great. However, that's just going to export into a PDF, and they won't be able to manipulate any of that record or calculate the sums that they want calculated for your tax credit. All right, so it's 3 simple steps. 1, you're going to get the right column set. 2, you're going to do the query for the right time frame. making sure that you only include project slips, and then third, do the export to Excel and make sure that you include the comments. All right, I hope you found this video helpful and that you're getting a lot of money back on those tax credits. Have a great day.